We did a customer perception survey. 96% of regular users of Spray Paint Away feel better after using this for 30 days.
96%.
I mean, that's unheard of, right?
And you're talking about people, if you're in pain, sometimes, I don't know about you, I'm a little grumpy. So if I had anything to say, I would have said it to you in the survey. So just saying.
Me too. And I love that it's a spray. It's so easy to use, right? Wherever you are, you just spray it on. You're ready to go. I'll be honest, I sometimes like to give myself a self-care moment, so I'll do a little massage. I actually use 30 sprays a day, which sounds like a lot, but it has made me feel so much better. I do 15 sprays in the morning, 15 sprays at night. And here's what I do, it's super easy. 5 sprays at a time in my hands. I give myself a little neck massage, because like you, Pat, I store tension in my neck.
Most women do, right?
I do another 5 sprays, and I do my back, because I still get pain in there. And then I do another 5 sprays, and I'll do my hips or my legs or my feet. It's also so great before bedtime, because sometimes those aches and pains keep us up at night, right?
Yep.
And so for that, last night, for example, my right hip was really bothering me.
Was it?
It was, yeah. I was like, oh no, I'm not going to be able to fall asleep tonight, and I'm coming here to be with you, Pat, this morning, and I thought I got to get a good night's sleep. So I massaged the Spray Paint Away into my right hip, got in bed, and I tell you, within 3 or 5 minutes, it just dissipated. That pain kind of melted away, and I got the best sleep. Woke up feeling refreshed. It was awesome. And I love that you're putting it on your legs. We have a lot of people who use it on their legs, their knees, right? You get those leg cramps, those foot cramps.
And it's so funny you said that, because at night it makes me crazy. That I don't know what I did, twisted my knee after I twisted my ankle, but whatever, you know.